Guys, drink milk every day. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. Just like Ethan Hawke, it helps you to become strong and healthy. Guys, dragon, look!
Enemy spotted.
No! Look at that beast! It's long and big, guys! Oh no! It's ready to attack! Whoa! Awesome! That's Mackie's house, guys! It breathes fire! Whoa! Amazing! Poor house! It's getting demolished!
Don't you dare touch me! Stand back!
It's attacking us! Oh!
Go, go, go!
Eat this! What the? It's eating the F-35, guys!
Oh no!
NANI?
What the? It catches my jet! Help! No!
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Oh my goodness! It's so powerful! Run! So strong, guys!
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh! Is it sleeping now? What the?
What?
Wait a minute!
Yeah, boy. Guys, this is LavaFlows Blox Fruit Dragon. This is an amazing build, superb details, and it flies like a real dragon. Yes, that's me. LavaFlows let me fly this dragon. Yeah! By the way, the tutorial of these mechanics is in LavaFlows channel. And I attack my own carrier, but my PvP is off. What the? What? And then Maki comes. He attacked us! Boom! But the dragon is strong! And I tried to eat his 8-head warthog, but this what happened, guys! Kaboom!
Oh no!
The dragon head was cut! That is crazy! So guys, this is it for this video. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!